Hello, and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm Richard.
And I'm Diana. This podcast is for people who are learning English.
We speak slowly and clearly, so you can follow along easily.
Today, we are at a cafe in Sydney, Australia, and we are going to teach you how to order a coffee.
That's right. Australians love coffee. Sydney has some really excellent cafes.
So, Richard, what do you usually order at a cafe?
I usually get a flat white. Do you know what a flat white is?
Yes, a flat white is coffee with milk. It is smooth and creamy, very popular here in Australia.
Exactly. And another popular drink is a long black. That is strong coffee with hot water, no milk.
Right. And you can also choose your milk. For example, you can ask for oat milk, or skim, soy, or almond milk. Oat milk comes from oats. Skim milk has less fat. Soy milk comes from soybeans, and almond milk, you guessed it, from almonds.
Good points. And you can choose your size too. Small, medium, or large.
Yes. Plus other coffee options that are popular overseas as well as here are lattes, cappuccinos, and short blacks or ristretto. Now, how do you order? You can say, "Could I please get a medium flat white?" That is very polite.
Or you can say, I'll have a large, long black, please. Both sound very natural, very normal.
Let's practice now. I will order. Listen carefully.
Good idea. Go ahead.
Hi there. Could I please get a large flat white with oat milk?
Of course. Large, flat white with oat milk. And what's your name?
It's Diana. Thank you.
No worries. Coming right up. Great job, Diana. Did you hear that phrase? No worries. That is very Australian. It means no problem.
Australians say it all the time. Very friendly, very relaxed.
So remember today's key phrases. Could I please get a... And I'll have a... Both are perfect for ordering at any cafe.
Thank you so much for listening to Slow Spoken English today. We hope you learned something new.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe for more episodes. Cheers!
See you next time. Bye-bye.